everyone, welcome to day 8 of the 30-day Pilates ab challenge. Today we're going to focus on really toning our abs, making sure that we continue to create that nice slim waist. Remember guys, everything consistency is the key. My name is Joy and I'm going to be your Pilates coach and instructor throughout this series. This is no equipment needed, you're just going to need your mat. So on 3, 2, 1, let's get into it.
Alright you guys, so our first movement is going to be a bird dog. We'll be lying flat on our mats, knees bent at 90 degrees. We're going to extend one leg at a time. We're going to extend the opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time. And the timer's on for 45 seconds. We will have 10 to 15 second rest in between each movement. Let's go! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next movement here, we're gonna just still be lying flat on our mats. Our legs are going to be in 90 degrees straight above us, and we're just going to pump upwards, reaching our palms to our ankles. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will just be doing some leg and arm extensions. So as we extend our legs and arms straight out, we're going to extend them simultaneously. And when we bring them back to the core, we're going to bring our palms to reach our ankles and then extend back out. So back and forth extension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next movement will be leg lifts. We're still going to be lying flat on our mats. We can place our palms beneath our lower back, and we're just going to slowly lift our legs from the floor up into the air. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. We're going to bring our upper bodies to a seated position. We're going to keep our knees bent, and we're going to pump our arms at our sides pretty quickly in the air. These are called hundreds. in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to stay in this position while we do our next movement, which is a Pilates crunch. Keeping our legs slightly apart, we're going to bring our palms behind our head, making sure we focus on that tailbone, pulling it down to our heel, and we're going to crunch, exhaling as we crunch, inhaling as we come back to the mat. Let's focus on our pooch or muffin tops or excess fat just melting away. Want to keep consistent on this progress, you guys. You've made it to day 8. This is amazing. Let's make it through the remainder of this challenge. You can do it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to remain on our mats flat, and we are going to do heel taps. So all we're going to do is rotate from the left side to the right side, tapping each heel as we rotate. Our shoulder blades are elevated slightly off of our mat during this motion. Please remember to breathe deeply as possible because you want the energy to continue to flow. This is imperative when it comes to exercising correctly. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. The next movement we're going to sit up for is going to be Russian twist. We're just going to twist briskly from the left side to the right side, fully tapping each side of the mat as we twist. You can have your knees bent with your feet on the mat for modification, or if you'd like it to be a little bit more difficult, you can simply just pick your feet up off of the mat. It's up to you, whatever level you are at in your fitness journey. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. For our next movement, it's going to be Russian twist again. This time, you guys, if you can, extend your legs a little bit further, challenge yourself a little bit more, maybe pick those feet up off the mat. That would be amazing. But keep the pace and keep steady. You are doing an amazing job. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Alright, you guys, last but not least, we're going to do some windshield wipers. We're going to do the modified version, and we're also going to show you the full version. So you can have your legs fully extended like mine here, or slightly bent. Either way, whatever works best for you. If you bend your knees, it will look something like this. I am going quite quickly. If you want to slow down, you can do that. Keep the pace. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish. Woo! Give yourself a pat on the back. Thank you for coming. I love to see you. Check out the other videos for day 1 to start this challenge and continue to day 7. I love you guys. Stay tuned. I'll be here next week for day 9. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.